Develop cognitive and problem-solving skills with Magtronix from Junior Learning. This exciting STEM activity allows kids ages 4 and up to familiarize themselves with how a circuit works. Make a light glow, get a helicopter to spin, or pull a switch to hear a buzzer. The possibilities are endless. Just follow the activity guide to create up to 7 circuit variations. To play, first choose a circuit you would like to replicate. Then find the appropriate electronic blocks for this circuit. These blocks connect magnetically when pieced together. If done correctly, your circuit will successfully perform the action. Bravo! Magtronix is a 10-piece set and requires 3 AA batteries. For more electronic pieces and circuit ideas, try the Magtronix expansion pack. This 9-piece set allows you to create an additional 14 circuits. Test yourself today with Magtronix. Junior Learning, for the love of learning.